friends, today I want to show you my new tool bags that are FoxRino. These ones came in this bag. Came four of them. The colors are beautiful, I think. Look, came with black one, orange one, green one, and gray one. I like the most the black one, so I'm gonna show you this. But all the bags are the same. So the best part of this bag are three things. First, is puncture proof because it's made for high quality materials. Have this metallic zipper that made more easy close and open your bag. The zipper is so resistant and is soft to use. It's strong, and this part that made that you can take your tool bag this way. So you can carry on your tool bag so easy using your hand this way, and you can put inside different holes. I'm gonna put these ones. And ready, you can carry on with you all your tools you'll need in your car or in any situation. So I highly recommend these tool bags. See you.